Hi everyone! Welcome again sa aking channel. After knowing the rules for the integrals of exponential functions, ay magsasagot tayo ng iba't ibang examples. Ang ating third case sa integrals of exponential function is kapag ang given natin ay nasa form ng integral of a raised to x with respect to x. Ang kanyang magiging integral ay a raised to x over ln a plus the arbitrary constant. Ang ibig sabihin ng a raised to x is yung ating base number is a positive number other than letter e. Katulad ng ating example number 3, what is the integral of 2 raised to x with respect to x? Before we continue, please like, follow, and subscribe to my social media accounts. Again, ang ating example number 3 is, what is the integral of 2 raised to x with respect to x? Dahil ang ating given ay nasa form ng a raised to x, ang kanya magiging integral ay a raised to x over ln a. So, ang kailangan lang dito ay ma-identify natin kung ano yung letter a, which is obvious na 2. Therefore, following the rule, ang ating integral is 2 raised to x over ln 2 plus c. Kung halimbawa naman, mapalitan lang yung ating base number, halimbawa yung 2 ay naging 3, integral of 3 raised to x with respect to x, we just have to follow the rule, mapapalitan lang yung value ng a. So, ang sagot dito ay 3 raised to x over ln 3 plus c. Ganun din kung halimbawang naging 4 yung ating base number. Integral of 4 raised to x with respect to x is equal to 4 raised to x over ln 4 plus c.